Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we are going to show and explain what is rolled surface. With rolled surface, we can create a new surface from a single edge or a set of edges. To open rolled surface command, let's go to Surfaces tab. Let's choose here rolled surface. Here we have different types of rolled surface. So we have tangent to surface, we have normal to surface, we have tapered to vector, perpendicular to vector, and sweep. So first we're gonna show tangent to surface. So here we have to select edge or set of edges that we want to extend. So let's choose this 3D sketch, and here we have existing surface, and now let's choose this edge. And now we see that we have extended this existing surface by 10 millimeters. Here we can choose direction or a distance, so we can go with 10, 20, and so on. And this new surface is tangent to existing surface. Now let's click OK. And this is the result. Here, if we go to our surface bodies, we see that we have two bodies, body 1 and body 2. Now if we want to see only on new surface, we can go here and we can hide this surface. And this is our new surface that we have created. Let's go again. Let's go to roll surface again. And let's create a new surface again. And now we're gonna use the edge of the new surface that we have created. This one. And now as we see, we can use an edge of the surface that we have created with the roll surface as well. And let's go here with 5 millimeters, like this. And let's click OK. So this is one example how we can work with rolled surface. Let's go to this part here. So let's open rolled surface again. And here if we look, we have a hole, but this hole is drafted. So this is not a straight hole. And here we have a straight hole. So this is the difference between this part and this part. Now let's choose this edge here. And now as we see, we have here a new surface tangent to this face inside. So if we look from this side, we can see that this is from angle, because this is tapering surface inside the hole, tapered hole. But here we have an option, alternate face. If we choose this, we have also this possibility. And this is because this edge belongs to this face, but also belongs to this face inside. And that's why we can have two tangent surfaces here by using only one edge. We can also, instead of one edge, we can add a new edge. For example, we can choose this edge here, like this. And we can also go with alternate face, like this. As well, because this edge belongs to this face, and belongs to this face here. So this surface can be tangent to this face and to this face. And we can change that by clicking our alternate face. Now if we notice, when we click here, alternate face, we only change the surface, because we have selected the edge 2. If we select edge 1, then we can see that we only change the surface, and the surface doesn't change, like this. Let's delete this, clear selection. And now for example, we can also choose all of those edges. We can just click separately on each edge. Or we can clear this. We can go here with mouse, right click, and select tangency. And now we have something like this. And we can also go with alternate face. But now let's look at this. If we click here on the edge 10, this is this edge, this fillet. And now if we go with alternate face, we only change the direction of this edge here. If we click on the edge 7, then we only change the direction of the edge 7. So we have to be careful with this. Let's go to edge 10. Let's go down. Now if we want to change the direction all of the edges here, we can just click on all of those by holding Ctrl. And we can go with alternate face. And now we have this result, like this. So alternate face option, we don't always have the option. So let's go out. Let's choose again rule surface. Let's select this edge. Here we don't have alternate face option because this edge only belongs to this face, this surface. It doesn't have another surface, so we can't always use alternate face. And this is how tangent to surface works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.